Good morning, class. It is question number 26. Let f defined on a closed interval 0, 1 be twice differentiable such that f double dash x is less than equal to 1 for all x belongs to closed interval 0, 1. If f0 equal f1, then so that f dash x is less than 1 for all x belongs to 0, 1. Since f0 equal f1 means fa equal fb and fx is differentiable. Fa equal fb and fx is differentiable, then there exists c belongs to 0, 1 such that f dash c equal to 0. It is by Rolle's theorem. Means if fa equal fb and fx is differentiable, then there exists c belongs to a comma b such that f dash c equals 0. Now since fx is differentiable, then by differentiability we know that f dash x is equal fx minus fc is equal x minus c. Since f is double differentiable, since fx is twice differentiable, then twice differentiable means differentiation of f dash x exists, then f double dash x differentiation of fx exists means f dash x equal fx minus fc upon x minus c, and f double dash x means f dash x minus f dash c by x minus c. Now given that f double dash x is less than equal to 1, that is value of f double dash x is this, f dash x minus f dash c by x minus c is less than equal to 1. Now value of f dash c is 0. By Rolle's theorem we have f dash x by x minus c is less than equal to 1. Since for all x belongs to 0, 1, since c belongs to that is both x and c belongs to interval 0, 1, then x minus c is greater than 1 means x and c, sorry, 1 is greater than x minus c. X minus c is less than 1, or 1 is greater than x minus c. Means x and c both belongs to 0, 1, then their difference always less than 1. Now we have f dash x by x minus c is less than 1, or f dash x is less than x minus c into 1. And now since one is greater than x minus c, then mod of 1 means 1 is greater than mod of x minus c, cos for x minus c, x comma c both belongs to 0, 1. Then 1 is greater than x minus c, and mod of x minus c is greater than equal to f dash x. Then by both these equation we have 1 is greater than f dash x, that is f dash x is less than 1, and it is proved.